Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have 5 of swords in reverse, 8 of wands, and 2 of swords. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Leos, in your work situation or in your relationship, you are facing lot of struggles, guys. Maybe some troubles are there, some suspensions of projects or some delays you may be seeing, or some struggles. Maybe you are working hard, putting lot of efforts maybe today, because the truth in your heart is something, and what is there in your circumstance is something else. But you want to work honestly, decide honestly, and proceed towards the truth you have in your heart. Maybe there are some kind of conflicting situation you are facing today. It may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. So whatever dreams or aspirations or instincts you have, it is something different from what is happening in reality. So that may be the reason for some worries or some struggles in your heart. You feel that you do not do the things that you love to do, that you are really passionate about. But I also see that there is a positive progress happening in your life today. There are some huge changes happening. It may be a new step in your relationship. Maybe you are moving towards a better understanding with this person, a deeper commitment with this person, and you are trying to relate honestly with this person. You want to tell them the truth, tell them what is there in your heart, or this may be their energy towards you, guys. So that is what I see, guys. So you are moving towards a open, clear, truthful communication in your love, and you are making some important choices for yourselves. So it may affect someone in your life, maybe this person you love or one of your friends, or it may be someone in your family. But it is a honest choice you are making, and you are making that for that truth or honesty you have in your heart, and you are unable to live with that falsehood or some kind of lack of truth in your life. So you are making some honest decisions today. It may be an important decision in your work, it may be a work related decision, or it may be something related to your relationship, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Knight of Cups. So with this card, guys, I see that in your situation today, there is some kind of an unexpected person visiting you, maybe telling you the truth. So this person may come to you unexpectedly to tell you what is there in their mind, the truth about you, about this love, or it may be someone with some important message, or it may be a message from someone you love. For most of you, I see that it is a very positive message coming towards you, Leos. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the Lovers in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe in your work situation, guys, You are working hard, you are doing your best, but certain things may you may see some delays or suspensions, some kind of financial loss you may see in your work situation, Leos. So that is the reading with these cards, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes after a few seconds of silence. So when you choose the card, that reading may resonate, guys, may answer your questions or doubts you have in your mind. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. We have the Frog Prince. Intimacy. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, there is someone interested in you, they are coming towards you, but you are not willing to let themselves come towards you. You are pushing them away from you, maybe because you are scared of intimacy with that person. Intimacy does not mean a very close relationship. It also means that having open hearted communication with that person, guys. So you are afraid of that. You are afraid of that true intimacy and the challenges it brings. Maybe you have an image of yourself and you don't want to, and you always you always portray the image you have, but you don't want this person to know the truth, what you are in truth. So you are afraid of something, so that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe there is someone interested in you, and maybe if you are willing to let down your guard, let this person understand your truth, what is there in your heart, you are simply going to see beautiful changes in your life, and there is going to be a beautiful relationship flourishing for you guys, and you need to understand that. That is the energy with this card. And when you are truly intimate with someone, it has its own rewards, and today that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you, because you do not want them to know what is there in your heart and what you are. That is the reason you are keeping them at a distance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading with the first card, the Frog Prince. So let's see what is the second card, guys. The second card, for those who chose this card, let's see, it is check your emotions. So with this card, guys, it just means that today in your situation, maybe there is a particular circumstance today and you are feeling really emotional, and sometimes when we are emotional, our feelings get the better of us and we react immediately and we go for spontaneous impulses. Whatever we want to say, we just blurt it out. But today we need to keep our emotions and feelings in check, because this is the time for appropriate responses, so not reactions. So when we feel really angry, sad, or we are desperate in some situation, we should not express all that to hurt the other person. in that heat of the moment, we should not let our words hurt that other person. So we should keep a check on that, keep a check on our emotions today. And when we do that, we will be able to find a balance, and it is a very good thing. It's a very great thing for us and for that other person in the long run, guys. So when we express our happiness or sadness through in a very careful manner, through appropriate responses instead of reactions, it is going to change the way things are between us, and it is going to be helpful in finding the balance we need in our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose the second card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.